Alright guys, let's see what this product is made out of. Bought this from Lowe's. It comes with 2 spray cans. I'll open up the box. Cost me about $63. We'll take a look at it. Here's an overview. This is a spray paint the tub or the old sink. What I'm trying to do is I got an old shower. There's some mold around the tile. I managed to try to clean it with chlorine, but it still left a stain, so I'm gonna have to spray over. And let's see what's inside the box. Here's the instruction. Probably need 1 spray can, but unfortunately it comes with that 1 kit, so let's take a look. There's 1, and there's 2. Okay. Looks like it comes with a step-by-step, maybe a manual. That's interesting. Here's the little metallic sponge. Okay. Not sure what this resin is all about. What is this? Surface preparation cleaner. Okay, so it does come with a cleaner. Alright, that's good. And some gloves. 62 bucks for this bad boy. We'll see if it's worth it. I'll show you what the shower looks like before and then after. All right, so here's what I'm dealing with. Here's the shower. You guys can see the black spots. What I'm gonna try to do is actually, believe it or not, it's already been killed, chlorined, vinegar, you name it. But unfortunately still leaves that stain. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that and hopefully covers it up and call it a day. So here's the before. Stay tuned for after. All right guys, so here's technically this is a second coat. It dries very quickly, so I didn't have to wait very long. But I'm running out of time. So tomorrow, hopefully, once everything's fully dried, I can retouch up on that corner and then I can put the silicone to fill in the cracks. But overall, very happy with the results. It is definitely highly recommended if you want to spray.